Hey guys, hope you're well. So me and Tesco have come together again to give you a beautiful recipe that's delicious, healthier and affordable. All very important stuff. And this is a soup. It's a real heart warmer. It's such good comfort food. I'm making a soup like a minestrone, but the base of it is incredible smoky chorizo. And I'm gonna be using pearl barley instead of white pasta, and it's proper comfort food. So this is something you can make in a big pan. You can do a batch of it, so you can cook for a load of people or make it once and have a meal that you can reheat again in the week. So it's a cracker. First up, get yourself a big pan. And this, my friends, is a chorizo, or a chorizo. 150 grams is all I need. Run your knife through the sausage. You can have some big bits and some fine bits. There's so much love gone into this already. Spices, sweetness, peppers, beautiful pork. As soon as this hits the heat of the pan, it's gonna release the most incredible color, smells, and flavor. A little touch of nice olive oil to the pan. Add this gorgeous chorizo. Immediately, the fat starts to render out. It smells incredible already. We're gonna get loads of veg into this soup. So 2 onions, just kind of roughly chopped. Go as fine as you can. So in with the onion, and then we'll kind of just keep chopping and adding. And over the course of sort of 10 minutes, this will be the most tasty base. 2 carrots, cut them up any way you like, just get them fine-ish. And then celery. Celery's a funny one, it doesn't crack jokes or anything like that. But people think that it doesn't do anything, but what it does is it gives a fantastic base. We'll get 2 sticks in there as well. I'm also gonna add some herbs, so 2 bay leaves, dried or fresh. And then the whole thing of this is just to invest about 10 minutes in stirring and slow cooking this lovely base. Concentrating the flavors, it's gonna be so much tastier. So, next thing I wanna show you that I think is a brilliant healthy swap. Instead of pasta, pearl barley. It is brilliant. It's a great thing to have in the cupboard. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. You can use it to bulk out things like soups and stews. It's really delicious. It's very nutritious. So it's kind of like veg, goodness. This is what we want. We want healthy, clever swaps. 200 grams goes in. Stir that in and let it soak up all the flavor. What I can do now is add some tinned tomatoes. Try and get the whole plum tomatoes, right? It makes all the difference. Break up those tomatoes with a spoon. You don't want big chunks in there. It smells so good. Wowzers. So you want about 1.8 litres of stock, veggie, chicken, or even water's fine. Like I said earlier, we're batch cooking, right? So we're doing a nice big batch. This will be enough for 8 to 10 people. So lid on, and once it's come to the boil, turn it down to a medium heat. Let that simmer for 40 minutes to cook the barley, and then I'll show you what to do next. So it's had 40 minutes. It smells incredible. And there's one last ingredient that I want to put in here, which is cabbage. The cabbage family. You can choose any cabbage you like. Kale, I really like at the moment. So a nice wodge of that kale goes in. Any of the cabbage family is super, super good for you. With all these flavors, it's going to taste so, so good. This is supposed to be a thick, comforting soup, but really you should adjust the consistency so you like it, okay? So I'll add a little bit more water, but one of the things I like to do, which is optional by the way, is if you want a little bit of kind of silkiness, just use a little hand blender. You don't have to do it, but it's quite nice to do in just one corner, right? Just to make it a puree, and then fold it through all the chunks, so you get the best of both worlds, from brothy, chunky, and sort of silky. So look, lid on top, turn that down, 5 more minutes, and then I'll serve it. Here we are, lovely people. A really gorgeous, humble, delicious thing. Really important, actually. This taste and season to perfection. Oh my God. Wow. Delicious, big, juicy, comforting flavor. Wow. It only needs a tiny bit of salt and a little pepper, and that, my friends, is a mighty, mighty soup. You could serve that with some bread, but it doesn't really need it. Lunch, dinner, a little pick-me-up. That is a beautiful, beautiful dish that's going to put smiles on people's faces. Let's have a little try. Oh my Lord. Wow, big flavour. It's smoky, it's sweet, it's really comforting, makes you feel really good. I just love it. So I really want you to try this soup, guys. Have a go at making a batch. And you know what, the healthy swaps? Genius, pearl barley, get a pack. So that's the recipe from me. And of course, Tesco are gonna do their bit. They're gonna make it affordable. So delicious, healthier, and affordable. Guys, it's a win-win. Crack on. What are you waiting for? It's so blooming tasty.